Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have an unboxing from Charles P. Charles, I apologize in advance. I know I've been holding on to this for like the last several weeks, and I thank you very much for sending me this. And alrighty, let's get into this. Knowing Charles P, he'd like triple wrap this thing and make sure everything's good, because I know he had bad experiences with UPS guys. Alright, as a first, I have to apologize in advance. I got the coughs because I cut up chocabulas and I got them in the basement in the dehydrator. The fumes are coming up here. So it took me like 2 hours just to do this video right here. It's so bad in here. I got the fan blowing outside, and my coughing is done. Okay, here, go to the second one. There you go, Charles P. Yeah, he sent me a text that he goes, "Rob, I'm gonna say some sauces. I just made some new ones. I bought Silva sauces over the last year and a half. Met him on PLC and bought his sauces. I love the sauces, and there we go. Yeah, the first one unwrapped. I see number 2, number 3. Yeah, I definitely had about several of the sauces already. Each one I had, I just love them. Great sauces. With pizza, delicious. I have to apologize in advance again. He sent me of the ingredients of what he had, because I know he doesn't list them on here of each one. There's Charles P. This is Sloth Snot. This looks like a green verde. Like I said, I have to apologize in advance because I can't remember the ingredients in each one. Alrighty, let's do one at a time. Actually, I got a spoon here. I got a cup here with some water. We're gonna try each one. I'm gonna do one with a spoon, then I'm gonna try one with a chip here. Oops, just drop the spoon. Okay, here we go. Let's give this guy a shake. Yeah, let's try the green one first. This is nice. It's got that same as last year. It's got the little pull string here. Pop the top. Put that down there. One more shake. I don't know if you can see that there. Very nice. Yeah, I see a bunch of pieces in there. Nice flow in there. It's the Sloth Snot. Hopefully I can get that in the camera there. It's a green sauce that looks like a verde. I'll definitely, after this video, in the description, I'll text them and ask them on each sauce all the ingredients, so everybody can see what's inside each bottle here. Alrighty. This is definitely a Verde sauce. Smells really good. It's a nice pour. Nice and slow. Let's load this guy up here. I don't know if you can see that. Give it somewhat of a tilt. Whew. All right. Whew. It's a lot hotter than what it smells like. Wow, they got me off guard. A lot of Charles P sauces, they smell innocent, but once you get into it, they'll bite back, and this one bit back pretty hard actually. Wow. Wow, this got some definitely super hot in it. Whew. Try to get that in there. Cool. My throat's really killing me to choke. There it goes. From the Chocobula smell from the dehydrator. And this one's really kicking it in. But here we go. I'm just gonna go for it. Spoonful. Wow. Whew. Yeah, definitely super hot in that one. You know, just by the looks of it, I thought it was a Verde sauce because you know, Verde sauce usually that green. But this one's got that little mustard yellow, kind of green, and yeah, this one bites back. But very delicious though. Oh, it's a creeper burn too. And it's lingering. Alright, let's put on a chip. A little salty chip. Oh, Rancho Tostitos. This is my favorite right here. I'm like one of those weird people. I don't use chips. This is what I use right here. Tostitos. For some odd reason, these things taste so good to me. I use a chip. I say, but these things taste so good. All right, here we go. Put a little bit. Ooh. Wow. This chip and the sauce is definitely a mate. I had to find out what's super hot. It's a Charles P's sloth snout. It's a good one. This one I can see going on pizza. I'm a big pizza guy, so pizza for sure. Probably any pizza, cheese, whatever. What else? You know, definitely chips for snacking. And tacos, of course, steak. El Pastor. And carnitas. Oh, whoo, carnitas. Right here. That's money right there. Charles P. Sloth snot right there. Delicious. You know, I'm gonna have one more sliver of a chip. And this bottle probably, it's not gonna last long. It's gonna be in a recycling bin probably in 3 weeks, I bet. Charles P sauce are sweet, but to me, I don't think they're overly sweet. Something that's too sweet, I'm not a big fan of. But this is like that borderline perfect. sweetness sauce right here. Get another look there. What's going on inside that bottle? It's the Slot Snot. This is probably number 6 or some sauce I had from them. Delicious. And this one's probably, it's probably the hottest I can remember. I don't know what's in there, but it's definitely got a kick in it. Can I drink some water? Alright, off to bottle number 2. It's got my nose running. It's definitely a delicious sauce. That one's not going to be around for long, that's for sure. 3 weeks is probably, that's what I'm hoping for, but I'm sure it's probably less than that. Wraps these bottles nice and tight. Extra padding. Alright. Gotta work for this one here. Okay, there's another one from Charles. You see the difference this one has had. This one's a little darker. And this is the Charles P. Figgity Slot Sauce. So Figgity, I'm sure he has figs in it. And I like figs. Figs are good. They got that nice sweetness to it. And there we go. Here's a little pull guy here. Ooh, I still got a little throat burn from that first one. This is definitely really good sauce there. Alrighty, we got the cap off there. This is the Charles P's Figgity Slot Sauce. Dip my spoon in the water. I can smell very little on this, on the nose. I can smell partial fig on this. It's very low. Let's do a little pour. It's almost like honey. Definitely the fig sweetness in front, and followed by some heat. It was just a little All right, here we go. Going all in. I think this one got honey in it. It tastes like honey, fig, and peppers in it. It's another good one. First thing I think is pizza. Definitely pizza sauce there. Oh, pizza. Actually, I'll put this in a chicken sandwich, actually. It's got that nice honeyness to it, the sweetness to it of the honey. Do another spoonful. Alright, let's do a chip. I like doing stuff with food because it always enhances it. Any kind of chicken sandwich, biscuits. Pizza, chicken, and biscuits. That's the first thing that comes to mind on this sauce right here. It's got some good, respectable heat. Whew. It's got good tongue burn. Sides of my tongue right now we're kicking in pretty good right now. Woo. Again, 2 sauces from Charles P. This is the figgy slot sauce. Wow, this thing's really ramping up now. This thing's really got my tongue now. Woo! Alright, bottle number 3. Oh, okay. I remember talking about this one here. I was talking about when I go to Chick-fil-A and always grab. Hold on. Ooh. Yeah, I was telling Charles every time I go to Chick-fil-A, I grab a bunch of these guys right here. Packets of Texas Pete. Actually, I love this sauce. I think it's just like chicken sandwiches, fish sandwiches. I love it. And he sent me this, so no more over grabbing packets of at Chick-fil-A. I go in there like I feel like one of those claw machines. Go in there, grab them, throw them in my bag, and I'm sitting there like this, ripping with my teeth. So look at that. I can't find Texas Pete like in bottles like this. Look at that. This is like a trophy right now. Texas Pete. Fish sandwiches, chicken sandwiches, look out. This is going in my backpack for sure. Don't worry carrying these things. I had these in my back pocket bust and side pockets and yeah, it's not fun, but I do like my Texas Pete. Ooh, that last sauce got to me. Man, you got my lips now. Alright, let's go back to the first one. Charles P. Slot sauce. Thumbs up. Awesome sauce. And the second one, the Figgity Slot sauce. Excellent. Actually, I think both of them got the same heat level. Tasted sauce, like I said, both these pizza, no problem. Chicken, biscuits, this sauce, tacos, carnitas, anything Mexican right here, boom. And Texas Pete, chicken sandwiches, fish sandwiches, and it's the thing I like them on. And those pork rind things, you put them in a bag, you splash them on there, make them dance in a bag, and just eat them. Texas Pete here. All right. Alrighty. Thanks for tuning in, and if you stayed to the last 21 minutes, appreciate it. Thank you. And I'll probably have the last garden update coming up probably sometime next week if anybody's interested. It's getting that time of the year now. It's getting close out, and it's kind of sad that it's almost over now. But it's going to happen eventually. This year is pretty good, so I can't really complain. Got a lot of peppers. The house smells like pepper spray every day. Dehydrators are kicking in 24/7, and I'll probably do some garden picking tomorrow. I'll probably do some today. Actually, no, I take that back tomorrow, because I got some cutting today and get those dehydrators filled up again. And as always, thanks for tuning in. I hope you like this video. Until next time, thank you, bye.